Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is going to be day 17 of working on the 74 F250 pickup. Today I'm going to be working on the tailgate. I'm going to be welding in some holes and then painting it to match the truck. It's time to get busy. It's all sanded down. Got self-etching primer sprayed on all the bare metal areas. It's hanging right now from my garage door opener. I'll be able to get in here and spray like half at a time. Walk around the truck, do the other side. Same thing here, but it's better to hang it like that because I can get all around the part. I'm going to put 2 good coats of SPI 2K primer on there, and then tomorrow I'll be able to sand that down and hopefully paint it tomorrow. Just Scott stopped at Painter Supply and got another quart of paint, and he got himself 3 cans already mixed up for future repairs, but I'm going to be using this because I can put the hardener in that. I'm pretty sure they don't put hardener in a spray can like that because it'll harden up and cure inside the can. But things are looking good. I got the heat on in the garage and letting everything warm up. And check the temperature of it now. Okay, we're at 72 degrees. That's fine for the primer to cure. So I'll bring you back after I get some primer sprayed on there. This is something that everybody that does this faces now and then. How much do you mix up for your job? Well, on this, it's a 4-to-1 mix. But if you look at the directions, pot life is only 35 minutes at 75 degrees. And if you read the SDS sheet or the technical data sheet, it tells you how to use things. It tells you to only mix up what you're going to use. But how do you know? You don't. You got to guess. So what I'm going to do, 4-to-1 is easy. It's got a mixed ratio right here on this cup. 4-1-1, 4-1-0-5. I'm just going to use 4-1-1, but I'm not going to use the other one. So I'm just going to come up to number 5, and then up to the next 5, and that will give me about, let me see here, I just had this 12 or 13 ounces. Now my cup holds about 22 to 24, so I'm guessing I'm going to have about a half of that, and I'm just going to try it. I mean, it's might not be enough, it might be perfect. I don't want to mix too much and then waste it, so I'm going to go 5, 5, mix it, spray it. You got to really mix this stuff thoroughly. same thing on the other side. Okay, that worked out perfect. Now what I want to do is clean this up before it cures in here. I gotta wait a little bit, put the next coat on. I'm gonna take this apart. Now with the paint in the bag, just pull that bag out. And the gun is, cup is clean. I just gotta take this off. Take that nozzle out of there. That, and it's apart. Now I'm going to spray lacquer thinner in here. I don't want that primer to have a chance of hardening up in my gun. I'll spray this out. Now you don't have to do this every time, but it's a good habit to get into. Make sure my air cap is clear. Okay. Last thing is the needle. That's just only the tip of that is ever in the paint, but gotta make sure it's clean. So it's clean. And that is good enough for in between coats. Goes down the outside of the gun. And that's it. I go in the house and wait now. Okay, the first coat has been applied. It's dry. Now I get to redo the whole operation. Mix up another coat, put another bag in the gun, spray it, clean it. Now next time when I clean the gun, I'm going to do it a lot better than just squirting it and letting it, drip into the garbage can. I'm going to take it apart and soak it in a container and make sure it's cleaned out better. There's no sense in me showing you all this again. It's going to be a repeat of what you just saw. So I'm going to end this video right here. Thanks for watching Dan's Messy Garage, episode 17 of working on the 74 F250 pickup. Bye.